Welcome back to Jess and Tori, right?
Yeah.
What's today?
Today's Black Friday.
Say Thanksgiving. Khani min khania chu kanu te hin rong kal do na Ashley te John te no pang hau zong zong nen ka thian te le ka pi le ka pu te ka som boka kan ina dinner kan ei do na kan lo prepare chen khat te kan on ti lang don na kanu te ron theng dom pu na kan pa ha pu ta nge on. Let's go. Wait for Nana and Papa and Ashley and John. Hey, the weather looks like it's not cold, but it's cold, right? Right,
It's
baby?
cold, yeah. Yeah, the sun's shining. It's really pretty, but
It's cool, huh? Our little town. Why my head is bigger than yours?
not bad.
Fan te keep more look. So that's one on cling so Ashley the po. What is this?
Oreo cookie.
Oh,
Cheesecake
look at
on this one.
that. Here's Nana. Happy Thanksgiving. She's bringing all the yummy food. Hey, ito sang kinakanon tilang doon heta cheese te. Ranchi dihan kanda doon nila ya mo.
Yeah, 4.
How much, Mom?
Just fill it.
Although with the
good.
road construction, I think it added probably 20 minutes to the drive. 465.
Thankful, grateful, blessed. Look at that. Who is here in town? Puter.
Tori, please
He's
put your
eating.
cars away. I was able to grab everything we needed. I didn't get a roast, but Tori said
Hey, but it's not fitting. Last time I bought it, but it's not fitting. So beautiful. Can you help me? Hey, that lang po. Ashley phone turn it. Hello, message hey. Look at that. I was trying to.
Because they critique your kids' voice.
There's Nana cook ham.
ham.
Ham. And then here's a mashed potato.
taters.
That looks so good.
Yummy mashed taters.
Looks good, Mom.
Yummy. And my
Can't wait to eat, ma. Hey, lazawan ako ra show off ni.
We got one too.
Morpheus.
Hey, anaute. Biyahe kan tin mo. Here is Nana heating up the food. Hey, kanuin. Ati lume ka, what is that?
Stuffing.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. What is that? The white
Sweet
one.
potatoes.
Sweet potato and turkey.
Or corn casserole.
Okay.
Green bean casserole. Enchiladas. Turkey.
Yeah, allow me
gravy.
Yeah, it's Mexican food, right?
Yep.
Yes. Hey, kanute, kanpanaw te. Arong kalve ka. Tunahianin kapili kapu kahak me kapu na join chungan omve kami tang chu photo pa. Chong ka thiampa ha boka fanu hi rong kal thei don lo. Hey, devil egg. Thank you for making, Mom.
You're welcome. Pudding.
Oh, it's a pudding?
Yeah, it's a
pineapple.
dessert.
Oh,
Yeah.
dessert.
Yes. Well, people eat it with their dinner.
Looks good.
I just didn't get the pine. I thought I stirred it good last night, and then
I
this
think
morning-
Mom is ready for catering.
Yeah.
Cook
Well,
plenty.
after yesterday and today, 'cause I
Yeah.
cooked 2 hams and 2 turkeys. I cooked
Hey,
all
tiêm
that.
cả lâu đi create về cả thiểm vắc lâu á Thanksgiving đi về.
So we're ready. Whenever.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Today my husband cook all the food. Kanuin. Hey, Nana, in aron let's walk chan don to. Here is our chief guest just arrived. VVIP. Welcome home. Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
Bakal Robert. Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome home. invite hello về. Hey VIP, bé nó thanh tối anh hẳn món mình không?
You get it all organized
Hey,
here.
hello, Samter. Chắc cái nụ gì mà? Jason, come and look. What would you like? Look at that. You can ask Nana what are these, you know?
That's corn casserole, green bean casserole, dinner rolls. Sweet potato casserole.
Here's a devil egg. Have you tried? No. John turkey po, makatulad sina.
Gravy.
Gravy. Hey, apule, kapapo. What's that?
Ham.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, turkey, niya. Cho hey Mexican food net chicken niya chunga hianin stuffing ang daw ka mo.
Everybody here?
That's what we do. Just go up there, chill. Because you can eat. They got good places there.
Yeah, there were pretty cool like breweries we hit, couple bars, like sports bars and stuff.
Tuần riêng à, mình không ở nhà hay Troy, the family, the.
Here's my brother-in-law.
Hello.
Yeah, with his 4 kids. With milk bia I think too. With milk bia I think too. She says she want to try all.
There you go.
Yeah, people. Hey, Jose. Tuy tiệm. Tuy em Jason. Nó. Nhà sắp chơi cho gần cả hiện tuy đang hiện đang về chuyện nó. Nghe pu, ấy châu rõ.
Ai châu đòn.
Các chẳng thốt. Tuy tắc nia. Hey hi nè.
Hem. Hem trò.
Ham anh hiểu hả? Hey turkey hay em? Turkey. Kentucky.
Hey, yes.
Gravy ni ka imo I in nawa handa chin kami. Hey anh tí về nó sẽ khóc mấy.
Oddly enough, the charger.
I got it.
Enjoy tụi em. Tụi tìm mo. There's nó tụi tìm.
Cái đó cái này.
Enjoy your meal. I cook all this. Enjoy, okay?
I will enjoy it all.
Yeah, mom worked really hard. So, oh, you and daddy have a matching shirt. I didn't
We
notice
tried.
that. That's cool, twinning. There's a po hey, a first round. Yeah, there was one. Enge dessert ka?
Oreo cake.
Oh, na naisiam ni ko. Tuy daw na iro. Tuy
Oreo cake with cheese.
How is your food, daddy?
Very good.
Tuy em. Tuy em.
At you em.
Tuy lutuk. Tuy lutuk. You forgot. Ka dessert ka pa hindi na ya ingi pakadso ka. Peanut butter ka siya niya nga.
Good.
Oreo. Jason, I miss you. Bye bye. Bazaar to law oh. Pi bye bye oh. Bye bye. See you next time.
Bye bye. See you later. Okay.
Say bye.
Nice to meet you.
Hey Gilbert, here India trunk kan hona. Okay. Open. Unboxing. Happy birthday. Happy Thanksgiving.
My birthday is coming up.
Kurta. Okay, cornle.
Royal blue.
We're gonna close the room and he will try and we'll see him how he looks. Okay, it's easy. It's just like that and a pen. Okay, we'll wait outside. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at you. Okay, dance like Indian now.
No, that's good fit, man.
Say masala, masala.
I was like,
Dance now.
Be on the neck.
Turn around. Oh, look at that. Who is this Indian? I don't know. Yeah. Bye, Daddy.
Bye. I love you.
Love you.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, thank you for coming. Bye, John.
Sounds good.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you, Mom. You want to say something to our viewers?
Bye, guys. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving.
Nana is emotional because she's leaving us. We're gonna miss you, Mom. Thank you for coming. I love you.
I love you. Bye.
Bye. It's okay. We'll see you soon next month, right?
Yes.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for coming. Bye, bye.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Ho Santa ah. Hey, anh ngày ôm đón khóc mày. Bye bye. Love you. Evie was doing hey, kan ute ho nuwa kan pasara hey kan pa niya. Hey min leya nom. Cute. Tama kinakaroon unboxing ang kan ho huna. Thank you for buying me. It's cute ah.
You are welcome.
I can't wait to open. Kan ho vele kan hong nga. Christmas tree le kan tumama se online kan check pho tanga. Kan en leng ang Christmas tree so tàu lom lu to ma se a tha lo lo kan tua poi chang lo a pakhat kha what if it's $700 how much in Indian rupees kan Christmas tree do ha the one we like
80 rupees per $1.
uh,
So
56,000 singa le ti khang Christmas tree gam huan na lo mai kan la ka online kan check pho tanga ai tha kan hlo chang kan valet leng kan lei leng kan tia hai kan ho don ni he hey kan hong to kan tangwa shopping por on ho hangi lei nang tu on zo ba bazar nim Even bazar nim mel look at that
Yeah. Mà xe là discount là
discount lo anh say đi discount lo
I'm paid 158.
158 very rich
It's beautiful though.
không có anh ấy lấy uy lấy thêm về nè lên nhìn riêng đã cứ để cho nó swap đó
The other one,
North Face.
it's a North Face. Yeah,
These are warm clothes.
yeah. North Face. Lululemon is my favorite brand.
his favorite brand
He choose on the cultural from Express.
Oh.
Yeah.
Those are the good ones there. See the ribbon?
what
That ribbon, even the packaging.
yeah
Feel that. It's silk.
Express is like that oh we want to buy it from Macy
It's a
Oh, pajamas.
88, like 50% discount.
Oh.
And then I have 40 reward.
Oh.
I just paid
Like 20?
$4.
$4?
Yeah,
$4
For $80?
$80
Yeah.
man
Percent,
yan
you can pay 4.
Yeah.
anh nghe đắng
This it.
That's it.
nè lên là bazar hay chạy lấy
Alano, yung kung fish mo na kan live.
nu la te chwa pui ve do mo te Facebook la man live na mi nu le mi fa te pura bu ai le
Maybe eyes on the line, mid present.
mi zau du la
It's a handmade.
mi zau nu la
Yeah,
give him
yeah, that's cool.
I mean mi zau nu la gave him I don't know what's wrong with me maybe I need to sleep
Yeah, you haven't slept in 26 hours.
hey kan filter kan mangai te aming kan phua don la zau name it
Name it. We'll come up with a name.
Hmm?
We'll come up
Our
with
new
a name.
baby name is Nom, but we're gonna give Omi. Mizo name? Omi.
Cutie.
Yeah, because it's similar like Nom, so
Yeah.
we can say
I like it.
Omi.
Omi?
Yeah. Oh, Omi. Is it a male or female?
Omi, huh?
How do we know female?
Omi.
Oh, it's a male?
I don't know. It
It
could
has
be
a
male
beard,
or
so it's a
female.
male.
Their females have beards too.
Ano nga pa kan siya box sila. If it's a male, we're gonna say Oma.
Oma?
We just say it's fine. so we don't know the gender. But hey, Christmas putar white dead. Why you neighbors?
Let's go get her in the room.